Hey everybody, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am here to decorate for the week of October 28th through November 3rd, and I'm using these lovely Halloween blooms from According to Ali, and I'm going to be using some of her hexagon washi too. Let's get started. I love Ali's stickers like this. They're really, really cute, and I just realized I'm wearing the jacket that if I run it against the table, it makes lots of noise. So I love this washi. This is actually my second roll of this hexagon washi from According to Ali because I just love it that much. And there we go. Having nails makes that difficult. So I'm gonna just place this strip down here. And I'm probably gonna use this one in this corner because, oh my gosh, how cute. Now though, I'm thinking if I use it in this corner, am I gonna have room to put my workouts? Let's see, if I put it down like that, oh, like barely enough, that's fine. Okay, then put this back here. Then I want to do the same thing on the other side. I'm not gonna add too much other than these stickers on this washi because I think just the two together look really good. And I want to keep the decorating simple. I feel like that is the tone and the mood that I'm going towards moving to 2025 is simplicity. Trying not to use next year, probably not using as many stickers. I don't know if you watched my 2025 planner lineup, but there won't be a ton of places that I'll be using stickers in my planners next year, which is fine by me. Simplicity. Okay, making sure I am now still in frame. I was going to use some of these in my daily spread, but I also have some really pretty stickers from Ali that I want to use. So I think I'm going to end up covering the week here, which I'm fine with. Then I'm probably going to put this one. Which way is this supposed to go? Like this, I think. There we go. These two I will leave until I've put everything down on this spread here. So I'm gonna use these two pens. This is my Heinz pen in the Champagne at Midnight, and it has Teranishi Nostalgic Honey. And then we have my Pilot Kakuno, which has Birmingham Penco Oil Rag. Where are my blotting papers? So I'm gonna be perfectly transparent when it comes to decorating my weekly spreads. It's fun to do them, but the actual filling them out after and actually functionally using my weekly spreads after, I've kind of fallen off that, or I struggle with doing that. And when I'm on vacation and I'm memory planning in here, it works out well. But otherwise, on a regular week where not much is going on, I don't seem to refer back to my weekly spread as much. So I'm looking forward to my new setup or my new lineup come January. And it's not, I say it's not that often, but oh, perfect amount of lines. Oh, see, and now I've covered up where my work shifts are actually going to be. That's okay. My work shifts are different on the Monday because I have an appointment. So let's do, yeah, just work. And this will only go till 10. I'm gonna be fine putting the arrow here. And then here I have 10 3:20 at, where is that appointment at? I will write that down when I have it, and then I start work again at 1 and go until 7:30. And I'm really grateful that my job allows me to do a split shift like that to accommodate for appointments. So then my to-do will be to meal plan and order groceries. Then I'm just gonna write in the shifts for the rest of the week, which are going to stay as they are. I like this ink because this oil rag, when I first swatched it, it was like green or gray, but here it's looking very gray, which matches these stickers. Then using Taranishi, oops, sorry, Nostalgic Honey. Now, I don't know if I apologize to you for the loud noise or to the pen for dropping it. Oh, that's such a lovely ink color, and I don't normally like orange, but this is a lovely, lovely color, and the ink flow in here has been wonderful. Okay, now looking in my passport planner, I gotta look ahead to see what do I have scheduled for. Manicure, physiotherapy. Okay, cool. All right, so then going into my day today now, let's see. Tuesday I will put, not me, my husband will put out garbage, and I'll grab a really cute emoji sticker. Now I'm going to try to use a lot of these as much as possible because I realize how many I have and not as many spreads to use them in before the end of the year. I will still use them come 2025, but part of me, like, while I love these, I want to work on minimizing what I have and using what I have, really. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. These are from Paper Bits Co. She is a Canadian shop. Oh my god, the one with like the little smelly fish, that is adorable. Okay, I know my husband's face is like that when he has to get rid of the food waste. It's hilarious. Then Wednesday, let me see. Wednesday will be the day that we will be picking up groceries because Thursday is Halloween. So we'll pick up groceries on Wednesday. This one. And the usual time. My husband's so funny. He's always, every time he has to go pick up the groceries, he's like, I thought I just picked them up yesterday. And I'm like, that was last week. Then I need to find a good emoji for trick-or-treating. This is from the Coffee Monsters Co. I think this will be close enough for trick-or-treating. Just a matter of whether the stickers will actually hold up to the trick or treat. Yeah, the stickers don't hold up well to fountain pen ink, but that's okay. That is a cute sticker. Then Friday I have physiotherapy at 6:15. And then here we go. 10, oh no, different pen, Karina. Then 10 o'clock I have a manicure. And actually, my mom's gonna be there too. So she's gonna have a pedicure, I'm gonna have a manicure. And then the kids have their usual. So Henry has ninja. And then Robin has badminton. I cannot spell today. And then I don't think there's anything else going on after that. Really simple week. And I think you can kind of see why I'm moving towards a more, well, Hobonichi Weeks style, because this is a lot of space for me and I don't need it all. In fact, I refer to it very little after this is done. So I want to move to a system that is, I guess, more efficient and will prompt me to look back at the weekly pages more. But anyway, that is a whole other conversation. But yeah, these stickers from According to Ali are so cute, and there's a couple left that I want to add in here. So let's do this one here. That's adorable. And then we'll do this one. Actually, I like that right there. Nope, no I don't. Yes I do. Put it down. There we go. Oh my gosh, that's cute. All right, and I finished the sticker sheet. Great. All right, that is it for me. Quick, easy, and really cute. If you guys are interested in these stickers from According to Ali, you can use my code Karina10 for 10% off, and there's a link in the description below. But that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have yourselves a great day.